Alright, hey everybody, welcome back to Diva Style. So in this video we are going to be creating some wire earrings. So I got an order for these, and you guys, if you know me, listen, I'm not gonna lie, I will sit there and I will take an order. Although I have never made wire earrings before, I was like, yeah, I can make those. So this was actually my practice pair. This was the first pair that I made, and I don't think it came out too bad. Now, one thing going into this, I will say, please do not try to be so fixated on making them identical. That is going to be almost impossible. I mean, I think I came pretty close, but that's going to be almost impossible trying to get them exactly the same. So don't worry if they are not. That is completely fine. So you guys, I took this order not really knowing what I was doing. But look, I even got a little fancy, and I hammered the bottom of them out, and I think that came out so cute. It made them like kind of shiny too at the bottom. I love that. So of course these are going to be mine because she's the silver girl. You guys know I'm not into silver, but I had to practice on some gold. And the wire size that I'm going to be using today, it is 15 gauge, and I got it from Amazon. It came like this. I forget how much I paid for it, but so I got the gold and I got the silver, and I'm probably going to cut these right here. Came from 6 inches. These were each 6 inches of wire a piece, which to me that's not bad. That's not a bad piece of that's not a bad earring. It's pretty long. And then this, I think this was like 0.4. Noah, I'm recording! Shut up! Okay, so this is 0.4. This is just some gold wire. I use this to wrap along it, as you can see. Didn't really do much of a difference because they're both gold. But she did ask for her silver to be wrapped in the gold, so I'm going to be using both of these. I'm probably, since this is 6 inches, I'm probably, and she wants hers a lot bigger than this, I'm probably going to use, I'm not sure, 12. Should I do 12 inches? I'll probably do 12 inches and pray that that's long enough. Alright, yeah, so I'm going to do 12 inches and then I'll be right back. Okay, now I'm going to come on here and say this. I usually wrap the extra wire on. I'm about to do it now, but I usually wrap it before I even get started. I forgot to do that, and right here, like I said, this is only my second pair ever, so I forgot to do that, but I'm doing it right now. I'm going to just, it's so easy, you guys. I'm just going to wrap this wire right on around it, like, it's not even, it's getting tangled because I got it so long. But yeah, y'all, let's just start wrapping this around. This is all we gotta do. It's not even hard. Alright, you guys, even though I came up with these earrings and these are beautiful, I think I'm going to make a second pair because she loves huge earrings, like huge, and I just don't think these are going to be big enough. So I'm going to make a second pair. Yeah, I'm going to make a second pair, and this time these were 12 inches and this time I cut 22 inches. I don't think I'm going to do these on camera just because the wire is so long and you won't be able to see what I'm doing anyway until I get it further down. So I'll be back. Okay, so this is the last pair I'm doing. I'm done with the wire wrap. And as you can see on this pair, I added some just a little bit of beads just to give it a little bit of pop. And I did end up hammering out the bottom, as you can see. But you guys, this was not a bad craft. It was not a bad craft. Didn't take too long. Like, you can pop these out so quick, so easy. But they make a huge statement piece. Look at that. That is nice. The only thing that I will say that I got stuck on, that I don't want you to get stuck on, is they will not be identical. They will not look just alike. So do not get stuck on trying to make it identical, because it's just impossible. But as you can see, it's a little bit, so either I need to shorten one or make one longer. Probably shorten it right there. But yeah, for the most part, this was an easy craft. Bam. I love these little gold ones, like love, love, love. Did those. And then this was a little smaller pair. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask. And I will see you guys very soon. Bye.